not home.
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday,
Maybe people take their own dogs to the dog park. Ever think of that?
Maybe I'll do a little work up there. Quit stalking me.
It's Cinema Verite.
Yeah, well, Cinema Verite is somewhere else.
We're out here in Vilas Park, and this playground equipment for kids, and if somebody leaves a shovel out, the adults can figure out how to play. Make a better space for the kids. It's March Madness. Everyone's into basketball.